Hi, I'm Peter. Korean diet. Korean diet has gone through a lot of changes since 1969. Which way of eating, tradition or modern, do you think is healthier? Personally, I think modern one is better. I have two reasons for that. First, it is more varied diet. In the past, we only ate lots of rice and vegetables. We ate little meat and dairy food. But since people started to have more money than before, we started to eat a lot of food from animals. Varied diet can make us even healthier than before. They also make us taller than people who ate just rice and vegetables. Second, it has a variety of recipes. Back then, we had few recipes. We just made food relying on intuition. This might not be exact and make food horrible, but now we have varied and correct recipes. If we want to make kimchi, there are a lot of ways to make kimchi. A variety of recipes are as good as a variety of diet, so we can eat far healthier than before. Thank you for watching.